Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Crisp Talking. Are you in stress? Nowadays, the most common problem we all are suffering through is stress. But this video is targeted only for those people who knew that they are going through some unusual feeling, but they didn't know it is called stress. It is actual stress. Signs of stress in an employee. If you are working in some multinational company and startup, this video is for you. Working long hours. Employees who suddenly start staying in work later or coming in earlier. This could be sign of an employee who's struggling with their workload. Next one is arrive work later or take more time off. Employees who begin arriving late on regular basis or start booking more time off than usual, maybe avoiding the workplace to avoid the stressful sensations. Next one is being more twitchy or nervous or mood swings. It's not unusual for people who are stressed to struggle sleeping at night. If an employee coming to work visibly tired on a regular basis, an uplift in irritability, twitchiness, and nervousness could be down to stress. But what are the major causes for that? This is very important that we should all aware of. High workload. Stretch extra hours every day to complete the task and very odd working hours because of different time zones of countries. It may lead to many psychological problems in employees which may lead to stress during work. Next one is insufficient workload. As high workload gives you stress, similarly low, that is insufficient workload can also causes stress at work. Employees must do less work in more time. In such cases, employees start questioning their capacity and feeling stressed. Next one is lack of control. Employees lose interest in their work when they don't have any decision making power in their jobs. Next one is lack of skills. If an employee works on a task in which his skill set doesn't match the job requirement, it will cause stress and employee will get nervous because of the deadlines. Next one is job security. The fear of losing the job. The fear of losing the job and the meeting high demands causes undue stress in employees. Next one is no appreciation. No reward or recognition for appreciating employees' participation creates stress. Now, the signs of a stress in a team. If you are working with a team in a multinational company, startup, or on individual basis, you will experience still signs of stresses within a team. First one is arguments. Yes, if there's a rise in arguments within a team, more sickness absence, decreased performance, which cause overall drop in the productivity, more reports of stress and more complaints within a team, increase in staff turnover, that is also called attrition. The two common reasons talented people leave the company are boredom and unbearable stress. So let's move to climax. So what are the stress management videos? The whole purpose of making this video is to give you these stress management ideas. Track your stressors. Identify which situation create the most stress and how you respond to them. Record your thoughts, feelings and information every day. You can maintain a diary, a blog or a vlog and just notice how you reacted to the different situations on everyday basis. Next one is develop healthy responses, that is develop healthy habits. Instead of attempting to fight stress with fast food or alcohol, do your best to make healthy choices when you feel the tension rise. And the secret is exercise. Exercise is a great stress buster. Next one is recharge. Always take time to recharge. To avoid stress, best solution will work for you is to switching off from work by having periods of time when you are neither engaging in work related activities nor thinking about work. Next one, and the most important one in today's generation, is pursue hobby. Always make time for hobbies and favorite activity. Whether it's reading a book, a novel, going to concerts, playing games within your family, make sure to set aside a time for the things that bring your pleasure. Next one is work life balance, that is, establish boundaries. You have to establish some work life boundaries for yourself. That might mean making a rule not to check email from home in the evening, not answering phone calls, the business phone calls during lunch and dinner time. Yes. The next one is relaxation. Learn how to relax. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, mindfulness can help melt away stress. Next one, talk to your supervisor. If you are working in MNCs or startup, always talk to your supervisors. Start by having an open conversation with your boss, manager, supervisor, lead. And the purpose of this isn't to lay out a list of complaints, but rather to come up with an effective plan for managing the stressors that you have identified at first place so that you can perform at your best on the job. And next one is get some support. Accepting help from trusted friends, family members, managers, lead, brothers, sister, parents, partners, girlfriend, boyfriend. Yes, it can improve your ability to manage stress. So please don't be shy to ask for any support from any of your close members.
If you like this content, please do like, leave a comment and subscribe to this channel. This channel is going to be a crisp talking where we are going to discuss things about personal growth, professional growth, spiritual growth, financial growth. Please support us.